How can we reimagine temporary housing for people in transition? We introduced the Help Kit.
Hi, we are Carolyn, Emily, Kason, and Timothy. We are sixth graders at East Hamilton Middle School. Bright Spark challenged us with the question, how might we reimagine temporary housing for people in transition? After interviewing hurricane survivors, we learned that one of the major challenges they faced was unpreparedness.
After interviewing people, we narrowed down that our new problem is how might we create a help kit that helps people be prepared when in crisis.
Because they were unprepared, they were overwhelmed with trying to figure out what they needed in the midst of surviving a crisis. So we made a survival kit for people to be prepared for natural disasters and have their needs met in temporary housing. This kit includes cleansing wipes to replace showers, a flashlight, a first aid baggie, batteries, duct tape, a packet of Aquaphor, dental hygiene products, a flare, brush and mirror, deodorant, face wash, bar soap, a portable phone charger, vacuum seals, clothes and blankets, socks, corns, a multi-tool, and shampoo. Importantly, we included a game of Uno because there are bored kids in temporary housing.
If we had more flexible time and more access to materials, we would have made the suitcase float and make it waterproof. This invention would allow people to have less stress during a crisis. So there you have it, the Help Kit.